all doing well? Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today, we're going to be talking about the hack that will get you to detach instantly. This works each and every single time for me. Nothing else works. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to enroll in any of my courses, book one-on-one coaching with me, or join collective coaching, or book a customized subliminal with me. Those are all of the services that I offer, and for more information you can go on Kaminski.com. Everything is gonna be there. And with that, I know this is gonna be the best YouTube video that you've ever watched, and you will literally become a master manifester after finishing this video. So let's get right into it. She ain't that 20 mil, she run it up. She can never be broke cause she popular. Tell her what came on for the followers. Everyone in the manifestation space is always talking about just detach, but no one actually tells you how to do it step by step. And let's be real, when you really want something, it is almost impossible to just detach, and the thought of that is frustrating. First of all, why is detachment hard? The human brain scientifically starts obsessing over something that it labels as a missing piece. Even if everything in your life is perfect, that means nothing to you when you are focused on this one thing. You put it up on such a high pedestal, nothing matters. It's all you think about, which leads you to freak out, stop thinking logically, and stop applying the practices that you know you should be doing. Your brain becomes biased and you literally get brain fog because all you can think about and all of the energy is going into this one thing. And the constant thought of that not having it, oh my God, where is it? How can I get it? Why isn't it here yet? That puts you in a state of not having. And we all know what that means. It means that you are acting and identifying and living as a person who does not have the manifestation. Whereas instead, you should live, breathe, identify, quantum leap into the version of you who has this thing right now. Not in 20 minutes or in a month, right now. It's like if you're craving sugar, the only thing that you can think about is eating the cookies that are on the counter. You don't care about your homework, that you're getting a call from your friend. Your reticular activating system is like, give me those cookies right now. Or if someone says, don't press that big, red, bright, juicy button, you're gonna wanna press it. So this is the trick. We wanna flood your brain with happiness in each and every single moment. How do we do this? It's very simple. You just ask yourself, what will make me feel the happiest to do right now? And accept that longing, feeling, yearning, want for that thing. Be attached right now. Cool, I'm attached, accept it. Now what do? I'm just gonna do what makes me feel good. I really feel like going to the gym right now. It depends on how you feel in each and every single moment. In the actions that are available to you, as Bashar says, the things that you physically can in this 3D world do in this right now moment, pet your cat, have a nice meal. Don't pressure yourself, even if it doesn't feel like a hit, you know, like a dopamine hit or an endorphin hit. Accept it. Just focus on the next best thing. And so that is the scientific hack. Do whatever the next best thing is. Accept that you're feeling attached and continue asking yourself, what is the next best thing? What is the next best thing? What is the next best thing? And you're not going to be doing this manually. It's just going to happen all of a sudden. And don't put pressure on yourself, because then you are going to be focusing on, when am I going to detach? You will begin just living your life, even if maybe at the back of your head you still have that want, and that's okay. You are still going to be in alignment, in your power, in the flow, by doing the next best thing, like going for a walk, eating a yummy meal, calling your mom and having a chat, watching YouTube videos about law of assumption, listening to subliminals. But the most important thing is knowing that it is what makes me feel good right now to do, is what's going to help me detach. That's the most important thing that I want you to know. It's not something that I told you to do or what Instagram is telling you to do or TikTok. It is outside of all of the noise. When I'm closing my eyes, what do I feel like doing right now in this moment? It could be going into your car, driving to a museum, or getting your favorite drink. Like, it's really that simple, and you're just stepping in each and every single moment into that direction. You are going to begin having fun without realizing it. That want is going to trickle away. Now, you will still want it, and that's okay. That is natural. You're supposed to feel that. Remember that wanting something is human. It's when we feel desperate that it becomes toxic. Your brain cannot cling to that want and release at the same time. Like when you're automatically releasing when you're playing your favorite game on your iPad, you just physically cannot keep grasping onto something when you are releasing because you are focusing on something else. And in the same manner, doing what makes you feel happy will send signals to your subconscious mind saying, I'm already happy, I'm already fulfilled, I already have everything that I want, including your manifestation, your desire, the thing that you have been really attached to. That is the sweet detachment state that the law of assumption community is all wanting to get into. That is the sweet spot, because from there you can affirm without checking for the results, without feeling that gnawing, yearning energy that feels like you're lacking something. You're just basically tricking your subconscious mind and saying, nah, nope, I actually have everything that I want. Thank you very much. So this happened to me when I was manifesting moving to New York, which I successfully did after detaching and after really just doing what makes me feel happy. I have been manifesting moving to New York for 2 years, and it was only until I went to Byron Bay with one of my friends at the time, and I was like, you know what? I'm literally just gonna follow my happiness and do what makes me feel so good. And I remember being at the main beach in Byron Bay, and my friend's like, I'm so tired, like, can I just chill here? Because I wanted to take a very long shore walk. So as I was walking and I was feeling so aligned and happy and just, you know, doing what makes me feel good in each moment, I had inspired action and the thought that's like, why don't you email the main head of video in New York and ask if you can work there at Daily Mail? I'm not even joking. In a week, I emailed him. He was like, pack it up, sis, you're going to New York. That information wouldn't have come to me because I was so attached, stressed out, just focusing on the wrong thing. And you don't realize that when you're knee shit deep in it, excuse my French, it's only you can connect the dots looking back. Manifest for your shit, but at the same time, do what makes you feel good in each moment, because it's gonna help you detach from the outcome. You're gonna stop checking. When is that motherfucker gonna text me? When am I gonna finally start my business? It will just create a lighter foundation for you. It's not going to feel so end of the world. You're not gonna have it at such a high pedestal because your life will already be so balanced with so many other things. I'm gonna say it again. The only thing that genuinely helped me detach was doing what made me feel happy right now. Trusting myself in that and following day in and day out. That's when everything showed up for me without me chasing. Here are just some examples, but you have to listen to your own wants and needs and happiness first, and don't overthink it. It's literally like, what do I want to eat is the same way that you decide what you want to do that makes you feel happy. Like, what do I feel like eating right now? Oh, sushi sounds amazing. Like, that's how easy it should be. Like, what makes me feel the happiest to do right now? Oh, I actually just want to go outside and read my Stephen King novel, which I'm gonna do after this, because that makes me happy. But yeah, you can go for a walk, blast your favorite music, you can dance in your living room, you can read a Stephen King novel like me, you can go on TikTok, you can journal about gratitude, you can give your friend a call, you can play a game, paint, watch a funny show, literally whatever it is. Plan your outfit for the next morning. Fantasize about your desired reality if that feels good to you. Do you know what I mean? Like, it can be anything depending on what you can physically do in this current right now moment, and it's something that you really would love to do that makes you feel the happiest in this moment. highest form of excitement. Do that. Listen to Bashar and me. And here's a reminder, detachment does not mean you're letting go of your desire. It's about being content with getting your desire and being content with where you are now and not grasping to it like a crazy person, and instead manifesting it in the quickest way possible by doing your techniques, but also living your best life outside of that. Detachment is not distance from your desire. It is closeness to your happiness. So if you want to detach instantly, stop fighting your thoughts, get into your body, do what makes you feel good. Happiness, here's the psychology trick. And the moment that you live in your happiness, your manifestation has no choice but to chase you. And with that, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you absolutely loved it. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.
Money on top of me, money on top of her. Shawty fuck on me 'cause you know I'm popular. Popular, born to be popular.